Hey guys, how are you doing today? Daniel Trades here, back with another video. It's been a while since I posted a video. Been busy with some other things pertaining to the channel, but I'm back with another video. And today it's Sunday night. We're gonna be looking at your NASDAQ. It's been a while since we looked at the NASDAQ structure, so today I just thought I should make a video before going deep into my analysis for the week. I should make a video for you guys today. Guys, make sure if you're new to the channel, make sure you subscribing to the channel and you liking the video, and make sure you leave your comments there on the video telling me how this video is helping you. So here guys, we have your NASDAQ structure that we want to look at. We've got NASDAQ that we're looking at today. We're looking at it starting from the daily because we want to see actually what is really happening with the overall bigger picture. So if you want to see what's happening on the bigger picture, you have to be on the bigger time frame, and the time frame that I normally start with is the daily, especially if I'm doing a weekly forecast. And then I'm gonna zero in on my trades. I'm gonna narrow things down and then focus on my trades per day and see how the structure is building up. So now let's look at how NASDAQ is set up now. As you can see, because we're on daily, we're not gonna look too far back. We're just gonna look at the recent established points, which is this low and this previous high. So now when I'm looking at this price, now we can see that we've been on a trend from here to this point. So how did we get there? We had an impulse correction, impulse correction, impulse correction, impulse correction, impulse, and then now I want us to look at something. So remove all of that quickly. I want us to look at something now. What is most likely to happen? This is going to cause us to look back as well, because we're at a crucial point where we should be looking at the outer structure. If we look, we've got a low here. From this point to this point, that's a low. From this point to this point, we've got a low. From this point to this point, now we've got a low. Now, why am I saying we should look at this point now? I'm saying we should look at this point because we just broken previous low. This was our low or low. This was our low, and now this is our new lower low. So you can see now why I'm looking at it like that, because I'm using the thing I like to do when I'm analyzing. I like to use this type of a chart, because it shows me what price is really doing. We've got a low, we push up. We've got a new low, we push up. We've got a new low, we push up. Every time we're breaking new lows, we have to go for and go and create previous we go and create lower highs. So because we're on a trend, so now it would be easy for us to say, okay, from where we are now, how is the price behavior? Price behavior is showing us that from what we just did here, we just broke and created a low. So now the next step is for us to create a high. Whether that high is gonna hold as a lower high or it's gonna continue going up is something we don't have to look into yet, because we want to be zeroing in on opportunities that we are seeing. And if you want to be zeroing in on opportunities that you're seeing, you have to look at the market structure and understand that now, because we are going down, we're on a trend. Because this is a trend, we ought to know that we just broken the lows. Now we are pushing up. So now we have to when we go down to our lower time frames, we have to check what's going to happen when you're looking at price action. And from that perspective, I was saying you want to buy because we just created a low. Now we're going for highs. So now, because we're on 4 hours, one thing to do would be to use a trend line to try and measure if we've got enough space for us to be targeting buying opportunities. So if you connect that and that, you can see that we do have ample space here for the price to keep on going up. And if you are to use another way, this was our previous high. This is our previous high. So now we know that if we are buying maybe to this point, and see if this is gonna hold as another touch here, then continue moving lower, or if it's going to just come back down and then push up, is something we're yet to see. But as of what price is doing now, we can see that buying opportunities look like they might establish themselves. If you look at the touches we're having here, between these previous two touches here and here, you can see this is a mini trend that's starting here, because we had a push up, correction, push up, then we corrected, and then now we're moving up. So we might be looking for further pushes to the upside. So guys, I don't want to make this video long. I just wanted to show you what I'm busy looking at and how I think NASDAQ is gonna move in the coming days. So I will be uploading another video during the week, so just stay tuned for that one. So until next time guys, peace.